Caitlin Clark and the Indiana Fever may be struggling early in the 2025 WNBA season, but the rookie star continues to pack arenas across the league. Her Nike Kobe 5 Protro, inspired by the Fever's colors, recently gained attention when Alex Caruso wore the pair during Game 1 of the NBA Finals against the Indiana Pacers. Dressed in midnight navy, bright crimson, and university gold, the shoe was initially thought to be a player-exclusive (PE) for Clark. First spotted during warmups in September 2024, the sneaker features a dark toned upper with striking yellow and orange accents on the swooshes, laces, and heel clip. As Clark and Nike develop her future signature line, she remains a key face of the Kobe series. Adding to the excitement, her light Armory Blue Kobe 6 Protro is expected to launch this holiday season. The retail price for both releases is set at $190.